Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to fix profile views on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, first of all, open the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Now click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Now click on Setting and Privacy. Click on Privacy. Then scroll this bar and click on the Post Views. You can see here your post views history is off. You have to click on, then you can easily view your profile views on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.